This is one of the learnings I remembered last Saturday, the 8 P's of tourism management. Product or service. What you offering to tourists, this can be tours, hotel stay, transportation, food experience, or any attractions. Ito yung mga inaalok sa mga turista, tulad ng hotel stay, tour package, food experience, o kahit anong experience sa lugar. Price. How much customer needs to pay your product or service. It should be competitive and reflect the value of the experience. Ito yung halaga o presyo ng kailangang bayaran ng turista. Dapat reasonable at swak sa quality ng serbisyo ang price. Price. How much customer needs to pay your product or service. Promotion. How you advertise or communicate your product to potential customer. This includes social media, advertisements, flyers, and website and special deals. Ito yung paano mo ipapakilala yung produkto na inaalok mo. Pwede ka gumamit ng ads, social media, discounts, at iba pang paraan para maka-attract ng customer. Place. Where and how the product is sold or accessed, such as through travel agencies, website, or direct booking. Convenience and accessibility are important factors. Ito naman is kung saan mo pwedeng makuha o mabilis yung turista yung produkto o serbisyo. Pwede nga ito online sa travel agency o direct booking. Nasa sa iyo na lang kung paano mo mapapadali o mas magiging convenience yung mga important factors nito. Positioning. How you want your brand or product to be seen or remembered by people. For example, the most luxurious beach resort or the travel best budget travel package. Ito yung kung paano mo gusto makita ng mga tao ang produkto mo o kung gaano mo gusto makilala yung produkto mo. Ito yung ginagawang tagline para makabisado yung produkto mo. Staff, guides, and everyone involved in delivering service. Their attitude or skills are important for giving tourists a great experience. Yung mga staff, tour guides, and drivers, sila yung nagbibigay ng service sa mga tao, turista. Importanteng maganda yung kanilang trato at sapat dapat ang training nila para maganda yung maging feedback ng mga tao turista sa kanila. Partnership. Collaboration with other businesses or organizations like airlines, hotels, restaurant, or local governments to enhance your offerings. Ito yung pakikipagtulungan sa mga ibang negosyo o grupo tulad na nga lang ng airlines, hotel o local government para mas mapalawak ang serbisyo nito. Combining different service into one bundle or package like a tour plus hotel plus meal to make it more convenient or attractive for tourists. Ito yung pagsasama-sama sa iba't ibang serbisyo tulad ng tour, transportation, hotel, food, and para mas convenient at sulit yung mga turista at makakukuha nito.